The 2019-2023 Ford Ranger key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Replacing it yourself is a simple way to maintain your vehicle's remote keyless entry system. This video provides a step-by-step guide to help you change the battery quickly and easily, saving you time and money. Common signs of a low key fob battery include reduced range when trying to lock or unlock your doors, or intermittent function of the fob. Ford's My Key app may also send smartphone notifications indicating a low battery. Replacing the battery promptly ensures uninterrupted access to your vehicle. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, readily available at most retailers for $1 to $3. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry open the key fob. Ensure you have these items ready before you begin. Locate the small notch or slot on the edge of your Ford Ranger key fob, typically near the key ring. Insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this notch and gently pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be careful not to force it to avoid damaging the plastic housing. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation to ensure proper function. After inserting the new battery, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Align the edges properly and press firmly until they meet. Ensure they are securely closed by applying even pressure. You should hear a distinct click as the internal clips lock into place. Here are some important tips and considerations for your Ford Ranger key fob battery replacement. To avoid issues, always use fresh batteries from reputable brands like Energizer or Duracell. Avoid using generic or rechargeable batteries, as they can cause voltage inconsistencies or signal problems. If you encounter difficulties opening the fob or accidentally damage it, consult a professional technician. Regular battery checks, such as annually, can prevent unexpected failures and keep your key fob reliable. For warranty compliance, consider using Ford's OEM batteries instead of aftermarket options.